All right, dear friends, let's take a look at this house. I've brought it down to my dining room table where the light is so much better, so you can see those big, beautiful windows and those pretty graphics and how the houses come together and shined up so nice. I'm going to put a quick picture in here of the before and a shot of the after, so you can just look and see how far this house has come. It was so dirty. I spent hours and hours just cleaning it and then straightened it out, touched up the paint, did a little polish, and there she is. And I've got Grandma in there looking at it also. Grandma enjoys it too. Look how short Grandma is compared to this house. I'm also going to put a picture in here now of this house compared to a Mark's Colonial. Here's the view of the front of the house, just so you can see the size difference. And then here's a view of the sides of the house, again, so you can see the size difference. You can see how much bigger this house is. This house was originally sold without furniture, but you could buy furniture to go in it that was sold separately. And the furniture that was sold separately was size 116, which is the bigger scale that's used in these dollhouses. And Grandma is of size 124. The house that she lives in has 124 size furniture. Let's take a quick look at these graphics. Beautiful yellow kitchen, bookcases. I read somewhere that this spot made it ideal to put a fireplace in there. Master bedroom, bathroom. The floor is designed to look like water, and you can see a fish swimming in there. And then look on the wall, the pretty, pretty swan. Then my favorite, the nursery wall. Look at the little graphics at the top. I don't know if these are like little sheep up here or little puppies. Really, really cute. Little bunny here. In the back corner, there's a stork. Up on the wall, it says Rockabye Baby. In my house, that's pretty faint. And then on the goose there in the middle, it says Nursery Rhymes. This beautiful house was originally made in 1948 by the Playsteel company, who was a division of the National Can Company. Now they had two houses that they made, two different designs. The interiors are identical or nearly identical. The exteriors are different. Let's turn around the front side of this house and you'll see what this one looks like. This one looks like this, and it's called Bucks County, and it's different in that the roof on it is blue, and it has a door, arch-shaped door that opens and closes, and this has the original door on it. Works just fine. The other one, the door is just lithographed and does not open and shut. And the exterior graphics are different. They don't have the stonework here. I think they have more like shingles. This one is called the Bucks County version, and I do want to show you something fun on this side of it. Here at the top, I don't know why it does, but on both sides it's got a sign and it says, I think it's 1766 Locust Year. I'm not sure why it's got that, but both sides have that, and it's like a little sign. It's got a little post there that holds it up there or something. I've heard it said that this is the only house that of all the houses that were made by the different companies that has windows on the sides. Most of them, if they have windows at all, have windows just on the front of the house. Here it looks like the back side, but those are the front of the house. And this one has them on both sides. Now I will say that's not exactly accurate, because I know the Mark split level does have windows on this end of the house. It does not on the other end, but it does have windows on this end. There you can see that little sign there at the top again. One other thing that was unusual about this house, and I've not mentioned in my other videos, is it has this extra little bar up here, a stability bar at the top. It's a flat piece of metal that's been folded over, and it joins this to this to keep it stable, those upstairs walls. Very unique. All in all, it's a beautiful house. This is the dirtiest house that I have worked on yet. I did not know if it would come back or not. I'm going to post before and after pictures here at the end, just so you can appreciate how far this house has come. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous house, and I hope you get a chance to find one if you'd like to have one also. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel.